8 newest exoplanets with possible life on them. Hello again, Mr. Banana! Maybe you know that currently scientists have discovered a huge number of exoplanets that are located outside the solar system. This fact really makes me happy because among the found exoplanets were found some really amazing celestial bodies that can support life. In today's video, I have prepared for you the newest exoplanets that already excite the minds of NASA scientists. Buckle up and let's make a new interstellar journey together. Epic 201367065d. A planet in a star system with a very long name has every chance that one day people will be able to call this world their new home. The star of the system is a red dwarf, around which turn 3 exoplanets. The smallest planet is called Epic 201367065d and rotates in orbit, which, judging by the distance from the star, is favorable for the emergence of life. At this distance, the planet receives enough light and heat. The composition of the exoplanet is not yet known to scientists, but we hope that the characteristics of the planet are similar to the Earth. Kepler 452b. Kepler 452 system is about 1,400 light-years away from us. Yes, it is not so close from us at all. However, this fact does not mean that there is nothing interesting there. In this distant system, there is an amazing planet and its characteristics are very similar to the Earth. Its parent star is very similar to the Sun, the year on this planet is 385 days, and the only difference between the Earth and Kepler 452b is its size. The distant planet is about 4 times larger than ours. In addition, the star system is much older than us, and it has 500 million years. Well, if any life could develop in its conditions, most likely it will be something completely new for us, as the organisms living on it had much more time for the revolution than their terrestrial brothers. So let's hope that one day people will be able to get acquainted with the inhabitants of this distant world, and these highly evolved ancient organisms of the planet Kepler 452b will not take them for food. Like for hamburgers, for example. LHS 1140b. A planet that revolves around a quiet star with its own atmosphere and which is located in the not most turbulent place of the galaxy. What more do you need for a quiet life outside Earth? Perhaps only a warm climate and the presence of water, at least in its solid form, could contribute to the development of the future human colony. According to astronomers, this planet is about 1.5 times larger than the Earth, and apparently for a long time was a local Venus because of the terrible greenhouse effect which was raining on its surface for a long time. Then, when the stormy youth of the parent star of this planet fizzled out, LHS 1140b gradually began to turn into a place that now may well resemble the Earth. Scientists believe that for millions of years, the ocean of magma has already cooled down and even had already nourished the atmosphere of this wonderful world with water vapor. If it is so, the planet finally waited for its finest hour and now could even get its inhabitants. Layton B. Layton b is one of the Earth's closest neighbors, which is about 9 light-years away. The planet was discovered in 2017 and is a super-Earth, the mass of which is about 3 times more than the mass of Earth. Because the planet is closer to its star, it receives about 6% more its star's heat than the Earth receives from the Sun. This fact may indicate that the average surface temperature of Layton b will be about 19 degrees Celsius. Well, a good option for those who want to build a cottage away from the solar system! TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e. Do you remember the fairy tale Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs? The story of a girl who made friends with young forest dwellers. Internet users want to perpetuate as the names for the planet of the TRAPPIST star system. This amazing star system with 7 planets is very similar to the characteristics of the famous children's fairy tale. Anyway, Snow White in this amazing space place is very quick-tempered and an irritable girl. The star of this system is very active and therefore often bombards its gnomes with the strongest radiation, literally burning out all life that can be on the surrounding planets. The only exceptions, and therefore the most likely candidates for life in the TRAPPIST system, can only be planets D and E. On the planets TRAPPIST-1d and TRAPPIST-1e, according to experts, the average temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius, which makes them to be the most suitable for the existence of living organisms like on Earth. The rest of the planets on this system are likely to be just simple stones scorched by radiation. Teegarden B and C. On June 19, 2019, astronomers from the University of Göttingen made a truly amazing discovery. Scientists have found 2 planets that can support life and are in relative proximity to our solar system. The new sisters of the Earth are located in the constellation of Aries, about 12.5 light-years from Earth. According to scientists, both planets are in the habitable zone of their star, while Teegarden C and its climate is more similar to Mars than to Earth. The planet Teegarden B, if there is an atmosphere on it, boasts an even warmer and more comfortable climate than it is on Earth. So, if the average temperature on Earth is about 15 degrees Celsius, then at Teegarden B there are eternal subtropics with a temperature of 28 degrees. Due to its excellent characteristics, the scientists put the star system Teegarden in first place in the rankings based on the Earth Similarity Index. Well, maybe NASA is sponsoring another interstellar trip soon. I and Mr. Banana are already waiting for this amazing journey. Did you like this video? Leave your comment below and subscribe to our channel to not forget about our next releases.